Hello, and welcome to this course. In this one, I'll be tackling one of my favorite subjects, which is character design and character animation. If you're a new student of mine, I'm super happy that you've joined, and if you are a recurring one, then I'm obviously happy to see you here again. Before we get into the actual lesson, I just thought that I'd show you a bit of what I do as a 3D artist and an animator, and what the course will be about and kind of what order we'll be doing things. So why should you be actually learning from me? Well, I've been working as a 3D designer, animator, motion designer, animation director for about 8 years or so, within multiple different fields of work like commercial, gaming, interactive, and so on. I've also worked in loads of different styles, so I kind of would consider myself a bit of a generalist. And I also work in many different parts of the process like design, look dev, animation, and so on. I've also worked with characters a lot, both in my personal work, like my short film How to Make Sushi, but I've also been part of really big projects using characters for clients like the Microsoft Emoji project that we just did. So if you're on a Windows machine or if you're using Microsoft Teams, then you'll probably have seen these. So yeah, this is the type of artwork that we'll be creating during our course. It's very much inspired by like retro vinyl toys and some miniature figurine vibes and like stop motion like animation. So we'll start this course off by looking at inspirations and references, sketch our design, and then build it in 3D. And after that, we'll work on the lighting, the texturing, use tactile materials like fabric and so on. And we'll also be rigging and animating it and go through each step of the process that involves creating character animation in like this stop motion-esque kind of manner. So to give you a brief overview of what sort of steps that we'll be taking throughout this course, I've attached a curriculum here. You've probably seen it already. I will be taking everything at a beginner's pace, but there also will be some nice tips and tricks for all of you more experienced folks out there. I also have subtitles available for this course. I do have to say that they are generated automatically, so certain wordings might be incorrect and so on, but hopefully they can come across regardless and give you a bit of help if there are certain words that you miss. So due to that, I've also been able to translate them to a bunch of different languages. They are also translated automatically, so that means that they might be incorrect when it comes to certain phrasing, especially like software specific ones. I only speak Swedish and English, so that's the only languages that I can kind of vouch for, but other than that, I think we can end it here. And yeah, we'll talk a bit about the software and what kind of versions that you might need to look out for in the next lesson. So yeah, I'll see you over there.